Good evening, everyone. Please all rise for the doxology to be followed by our allegiance to the Philippine flag. Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso at buhay bansa ay huling ko'y gagampanan na lagi kang paglingkuran, ang laya mo'y babantayan, Pilipinas kong bayan sa silang ay hiyas, Pilipinas kong mahal, kami iyo hanggang wakas. Pilipinas kong mahal, mga ninuno naming lahat, sa'yo'y naglingkod ng tapat. Ligaya mo'y aming hangad, Pilipinas kong mahal. Thank you. You may now all be seated. Good evening once more, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. Yes, we are back. After being sidelined due to the pandemic, it's nice to see you all once again after missing the past 4 editions of this pageant. Everyone is a bit older, but wiser, I suppose. Welcome to the search for Binibining Araw ng Gasan 2024. Let us meet the judges, tabulators, search committee members, and our pageant search director. To help me introduce them, I give you the Inborn Dancers.
Judge number 1 is a champion of showcasing Marinduque's cultural heritage and tourist attractions, the owner of Green Favors Travel and Tours, and president of the Marinduque Tourism and Development Council. Please meet Ms. Susan Nasser.
Number 2 is a beacon of reliable journalism and information. He is fondly called DJ Myong by his friends and colleagues. Currently the Provincial Information Manager of the Philippine Information Agency, Marinduque Information Center, the Founder-in-Chief Correspondent of the Marinduque News Network. A round of applause for Mr. Romeo A. Mata Jr. Judge number 3 is a member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles of the Philippines, an advocate of the preservation of the arts and culture in Torrijos, former president of the Gay Association of Torrijos, and business manager of the Marinduque Gay Federation LGBTQ+ community. Currently with CLM Builder and Design, host of the Marinduque Music Festival, Alive. Dear audience, welcome Mr. Reynaldo Aldous Mirambil. Judge number 4 is a certified public accountant and a part-time lecturer at the Marinduque State University. He is a supplier and installer of solar streetlights and solar power systems, proprietor of ABC Hardware, Natasha, MSC, and Personal Collection. A big hand for Mr. Amiel Sharil Salvador. Judge number 5 is a multi-awarded civic personality who is a sociology major from the University of Santo Tomas. He was once a senior assistant manager of Unilever Philippines, who eventually became the HR services and fleet manager of AB Heineken Philippines Incorporated. He is currently the acting provincial human resource management head of our provincial government. This year's chair of the Board of Judges, Mr. Blair Edgar M. Dimaano. Now, for our tabulators, an administrative assistant in the Municipal Accounting Office, Ms. Ramina Valenzuela. 2 of the revenue collection clerks in our Municipal Treasurer's Office, Ms. Hanelor Ibanez, and Mr. Sergio Soto. Our medical technician in our municipality's rural health unit, Mr. Lancel Guevara. Let's move on to the search committee members. The search committee is headed by our Honorable Mayor Rolando O. Tolentino, together with one of our dynamic municipal councilors, Honorable Mary Chris S. Tolentino. Our stage production assistant, Mr. Rosello J. Salvacion, with our lights and sound production assistant, Mr. Randy Sales. Meet our vibrant municipal tourism officer. Yes. And of course, serving for 24 years in promoting culture and the arts of Gasan, not just locally, but internationally through research fora. The festival director of the Gasang-Gasang Easter Sunday Street Dancing Festival, and the pageant director and choreographer for the search for Binibining Araw ng Gasan, Dr. Rex Emmanuel L. Asuncion. Thank you, inborn dancers. At this moment, our Honorable Mayor, Rolando O. Tolentino, and our pageant director, Dr. Rex Emmanuel L. Asuncion, shall present our judges our token of appreciation. For the plaque of appreciation, I would like to read the inscription. Municipality of Gasan, Province of Marinduque, plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to, in recognition for his or her invaluable contribution as a member of the Board of Judges in this year's search for plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to, in recognition for his or her invaluable contribution as a member of the Board of Judges in this year's search for Binibining Araw ng Gasan 2024, held on August 19, 2024 at Gasan Municipal Covered Court. During the celebration of the 415th founding anniversary of the Municipality of Gasan, given this 19th day of August 2024 at Gasan, Marinduque, signed Captain Rolando O. Tolentino, Municipal Mayor.
Binibini ng Gasan, sa'yo'y bumabagal ang araw. O binibining araw ng Gasan, ang ganda mo'y tila tala sa kalangitan. Sa iyong pag-inda, lahat ay sumasaya. Harinaw ang liwanag mo'y manatili sa aming sinta. Sa bawat galaw mo'y may aliwala.
Now, to welcome everyone to this momentous event, our Municipal Tourism Officer, Ms. Roxanne S. Reyes.
Sa'yo'y bumabagal ang araw.
Sa ating masipag na ama at punong bayan, Captain Rolando Olivar Tolentino, sa sangguniang bayan sa pangunguna ni Vice Mayor Lida Nibaldo at mga konsihal, mga kawani ng pamahalaang bayan ng Gasan, mga lingkod bayan mula sa sangguniang panlalawigan na nakikiisa sa atin ngayon, mga opisyales ng 25 barangay ng bayan ng Gasan, mga panauhin at mga minamahal kong kapwa Gasenyo, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong gabi ay masasaksihan natin ng isang patimpalak kung saan maipapamalas ng 8 kandidata ang kanilang personalidad, talento at talino. Lumipas man ang 415 taon mula nang maitatag itong bayan ng Gasan, ay namumukod-tangi pa rin ang Gasan sa kanyang natatangi at makulay na kasaysayan, tradisyon, kultura at sining bilang isang umuunlad na bayan. Kaya sa bisperas ng pagdiriwang ng Araw ng Gasan, ngayong gabi, salubungin po natin ito ng may pagkakaisa. Sama-sama nating higit na pagyamanin ang ating kasaysayan, kultura, tradisyon at sining, na sa muling pagbabalik ay uukit ito muli ng makasaysayang kaganapan. Ang pinakahihintay nating lahat na tuwing sumasapit ang Araw ng Gasan, ang kinasasabikan ng lahat upang masilayan ang ganda ng mga Gasenya. Kaya't mga kababayan, buong saya at sigla nating saksihan ang binibining Araw ng Gasan 2024. Muli po, isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang Gasan!
Sa pagsikat ng araw sa Gasan, pinipili ikaw ang panglaw ng bayan. Sa iyong ngiti, mundo'y lilinggan.
Thank you, Ma'am Roxanne. At this point, I would like to share with the audience the criteria for judging so that you may also do some pencil pushing and make your own choices as well. Our candidates shall be judged by our panel based on the following criteria. Creative attire, 20 points. Talent, 15 points. Swimwear, 20 points. Filipiniana long gown, 20 points. Question and answer, 25 points, for a total of 100 points. The casual wear category is a special category which shall not form part in the summation of the scores of each candidate. However, it shall also be a judged segment, as a special award shall be given for it later in the evening. Good luck to our candidates, and good luck, judges. Some of you might be wondering why I am wearing a headdress like this. I crafted this one 2 days ago. This is, by the way, made from tangala, walis tingting, and coconut fiber. So, why with this? One, because most of them have already gone. You know what I mean. Those strands that we call hair. And second, because the theme of this year's first category is the use of what we call the tree of life, the coconut tree. Our candidates, with the help of their handlers and designers, have crafted what you are about to see. So are you ready? Let us open tonight's competition and welcome our candidates in their creative attire.
Barangay Mawis.
Mabuhay ang araw ng gasan! Ako po si Binibining Mary Princess Kathleen Villa mula sa Barangay Bacau, Ilaya!
Magandang araw ng gasan! Ako po si Binibining PLRB Malinaw na nagmula sa Barangay Tigyan!
Mabuhay ang araw ng gasan! Ako po si Binibining Zymer sa Diwa na nagmula sa Barangay Antipolo! Mabuhay ang araw ng gasan! Ako po si Binibining Nea Ming S. Sapunggan na nagmula sa Barangay Bahir! Mabuhay ang araw ng gasan! Ako po si Binibining Hazel Lumagi na nagmula sa Barangay Pinggan!
Those were really stunning creations, I would say, and very innovative. I guess you already have a hint on what the next competition category will be. But before that, let us hear some inspirational words from our dear Honorable Mayor Rolando O. Tolentino.
Maraming salamat, Doc. Sa lahat ng ating mga panuhin, lalo tigit sa ating mga kurado, sa mga naging binibini ng gasan ng nakaraang taon, sa aking mga kasamahan sa pamalang bayan ng gasan, sa mga membro ng Sangguniang Bayan na naging katuwang natin sa nakaraang 2 taon sa maayos at kapagpakinabang nagpapatakbo ng ating bayan, sa lahat ng mga pamunuan ng barangay, sa panguna ng kanilang mga kapitan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Alam ko walang paglagyan ng inyong kasiyahan ngayong gabi, kaya hindi na ako masyadong magpapatagal ng aking sasabihin dahil alam ko naman na nakatutok na inyong isipan sa mangyayari ngayong gabi. Matagal-tagal na rin na hindi natin nasaksihan ang ganitong aktibidad. Halos sa ilan, 5 taon na, 5 taon bago tayo muli nagkaroon ng ganitong aktibidad. Ipagpaumanhin ninyo na dahil nga sa naging pandemya ay natigil ang ating aktibidad na tulad nito. Pero umpisa ngayon, uuli nating buhayin ang aktibidad na binibining gasan na kung saan ay tunay na nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa ating mga kababayan. So, bago ako magtapos, nais ko ipabot ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa lahat na nagbigay ng kanilang talento upang may ganap ang aktibidad nito. Lalong-lalo na sa ating direktor, kay Dr. Asuncion at sa kanyang kasama. Maraming salamat sa kanila at ganoon na rin sa ating tourism officer. Alam ko na kinakabahan pa, bagong-bago, hindi pa nagtatagal sa upuan, napasabak na kaagad. So, Roxanne, huwag kang matakot. Nandiyan yung mga kasama mo na inaalalayan ka naman. At lalo giti sa ating Vice Mayor na patuloy din ang kanyang suporta sa lahat ng mga pakipakinabang na aktibidad ng ating bayan. At hindi pa tayo nagtatapos ito. Bukas na maghapon, meron tayong kalisayahan at sa gabi naman ay ang ating Cap Got Talent version 3.0 na kung saan ay inaing din namin kayong lahat na makiisa. Alam naman natin na tunay, sabi ko nga, taus-puso ang aking pasasalamat sa inyong taus-puso ring pagkikisa at pagkikipagtulungan upang maging matagumpay ang lahat ng ating programa dito sa bayan ng Gasan. Unti-unti na nating binubuhay ang natutulog na bayan, kung kaya tumaasa ko na patuloy ang inyong suporta at tulong. Sino man ang mamuno dito sa ating bayan ng Gasan ay umaasa ko na patuloy nating gagampanan ang lahat ng ating tungkulin tungo sa isang matagumpay, masagana, subalit tahimik na bayan ng Gasan. Muli po sa inyong lahat, magandang gabi, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mayor. Let us thank our sponsors for tonight. Honorable Mayor Rolando O. Tolentino, Honorable Mary Chris Tolentino, Honorable Milton Tan, Honorable Noel Laurel, Honorable Harold Lim, Honorable Petronila Kilendrino, Dr. Ray Richard Sore of Luxor Resort, Yamaha Boak, Hatasu Boak, Mr. Emil Sharil Salvador of Natasha Boak, Miss Maria Luisa Ohanda of Avon Boak, Miss Annabel San Juan of Avon Gas and Public Market Franchise, Marinduque News Network Advertising Services, Residencia Faeldo, Fab Salon, Provincial Capital Sound System, Botica Infant Jesus and General Merchandise, Pathway School Supplies and General Merchandise, Mr. and Mrs. Ronelo Sololamak of JAR Refilling Station, Mr. Richard Evardone, Mr. Joey Quindoza, Accountant Margarita Nenet T. Mampusti, Acting Municipal Treasurer Maria Jesusa M. Gosh, Municipal Civil Registrar Maria Sofia R. Madronio, Governor Presbitero Velasco Jr., Vice Mayor Lidani Baldo. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we shall be having the Kalesayahan Festival at 7:30 a.m. and the Cap Got Talent Awards Night at 7 p.m. Everyone is invited. It will be the culmination of our celebration. I believe that our candidates are still trying to add some beautification to themselves. But as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it really is a hard task for the handlers to really create such creative attires every year. And medyo na-miss ng mga handlers yan for the past 4 years na hindi natin nagawa ang pageant na ito. That is why they are very much happy sa mga pangyayaring ito at natuloy na rin. Although some are asking about the Ginoo, but according to Honorable Councilor Mary Chris, isusunod natin yung pagbabalik ng Ginoong Gasan. It's just that hindi gaano nabigyan ng budget this year at talagang ginusto lang at pinilit nila ni Mayor at ng iba pang mga konsehal na maituloy ang patimpalak na ito at maibalik, gaya ng gasang-gasang. Are we ready? Okay, I think it's really taking quite some time for them dahil we should also understand na mahirap pong ibihis at mahirap ring alisin yung mga sinuot nila kanina at mag-transform sa susunod na category natin. Now, may idea na kayo siguro. I will be your hint most of the time tuwi akong lalabas ngayong gabing ito. And I hope that everyone is enjoying. Medyo limited ang capacity natin dahil naitayo na itong bagong building. So, paumanhin po sa ibang hindi gaano at medyo naiinitan lalo. Are we ready? Okay, by the way, there are a lot of prizes in store for our winners tonight. Our top 3 winners will be receiving 10,000 pesos, 15,000 pesos, and 20,000 pesos aside from all the other gifts that they will be getting from our sponsors. Plus, of course, sashes and the crowns shall also be given. We would like to acknowledge the efforts of our Honorable Councilor Mary Chris Tolentino and the team of the Tourism Office para po sa mga nakuha nilang sponsors dahil medyo marami tayong special awards for tonight. The fact that we only have 8 candidates tonight, but we have a lot of special awards for them.
Sa puso namin ikaw ang hari, reyna sa liwanag mo. Kami nagkakaisa, ikaw ang ilaw, aming mutya. Oh, binibining araw ng gasan. Ang ganda mo'y tila tala sa kalangitan. Sa iyong pag-indak, lahat ay sumasaya. Hari daw ang liwanag mo'y manatili sa...
Okay, I guess they are ready. Disco, funk, and soul dominated the airwaves in this era. which offered a wide and interesting spectrum of genres. This category, as I had mentioned earlier, is a special category. Let us step some 50 years back and go down memory lane riding on a one-way ticket. To set the mood, let us welcome back the inborn dancers and witness our candidates in their 70s casual wear.
Let's take once again our sponsors for tonight.
Honorable Mayor Rolando O. Tolentino, Honorable Mary Chris Tolentino, Honorable Milton Tan, Honorable Noel Laurel, Honorable Harold Lim, Honorable Petronila Kilendrino, Dr. Ray Richard Soria of Luxor Resort, Yamaha Buwak, Hatasu Buwak, Mr. Emil Sharil Salvador of Natasha Buwak, Miss Maria Luisa Ohanda of Avon Buwak, Miss Annabel San Juan of Avon Gasan Public Market Franchise, Marinduque News Network Advertising Services, Residencia Faeldo, Fabs Salon, Provincial Capital Sound System, Botica Infant Jesus and General Merchandise, The Pathway School Supplies and General Merchandise, Mr. and Mrs. Ronelo Sololamak of Jar Refilling Station, Mr. Richard Evardone, Mr. Joey Quindosa, Accountant Margarita Nenet T. Mampusti, Acting Municipal Treasurer Maria Jesusa M. Gosh, Municipal Civil Registrar Maria Sofia R. Madronio, Governor Presbitero Velasco Jr., and Vice Mayor Lidani Baldo. Once more, we would like to invite everyone in tomorrow's activities. Kalisayahan Festival at 7:30 a.m. and Cap Got Talent Awards Night at 7 p.m. In the next category, our judges and everyone else would need an eagle's eye. Being able to demonstrate to the judges how well you can sound check. Again, being able to demonstrate to the judges how well what is wrong. Being able to demonstrate to the judges how well you can connect with others through entertainment is the centerpiece of this category. It's all about talent. Each candidate is given a maximum of 3 minutes to impress our audience and judges. Are the candidates ready? By the way, nadagdagan pa po ang ating special awards. Meron pa pong nadagdag na Miss Motor Central and Miss Suzuki later i-announce natin. Okay, regarding the prizes that our candidates shall be receiving, they are divided into 3 categories. We have special awards, which will be chosen by our sponsors. We have the minor awards for each of the categories that are being contested tonight. And of course, the major awards. The Binibining Gasan Kalikasan, Binibining Araw ng Gasan Turismo, and Binibining Araw ng Gasan 2024. A lot of cash prizes and gift certificates shall be given by our sponsors and our tourism office. juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to hear a message from our Vice Mayor, Honorable Lidani Leng Lao Baldo.
Sa liwanag mo, kami nagkakaisa, ikaw ang ilaw, aming mutya. Oh, binibining araw ng dasal, ang ganda mo'y tila tala sa kalangitan, sa iyong pag-indak, lahat ay
Maraming salamat, Sir Bistual. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Unang-una po sa ating minamahal na Mayor, Rolando Tolentino, sa lahat po ng mga SB members na nandito ngayon, walang iba ang ating nangunang dalawang masipag at magandang babae. Pangatlo na tayo doon, walang iba Konsehala Lala Calindino and Konsehala Maricris Gutierrez Tolentino, at sa lahat po ng mga judges po ngayong gabi, at sa inyo po, sa lahat po ng mga taga-Gaseños sa iba pang mga lugar dito sa bayan at sa buong probinsya ng Marinduque. Alam ko po nandito po lahat kayo, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Magandang gabi po. Ako po ay talagang nagulat kasi hindi po ako kasama dito sa programa, kasi hindi po ako nakapag-ready ng speech. Pero binabati ko po kayong lahat na happy 50th founding anniversary, Araw ng Gasa. Ito po ay isang magandang dikain po. Ito po ay dapat natin ipagmalaki. Ito pong Araw ng Gasan ay iba-iba nating aktibidades na alam nating kakaiba po ngayong year na ito. Yun lamang po at
Thank you, Ma'am Leng. Okay, as I have mentioned earlier, each candidate is given a maximum of 3 minutes to impress our audience and judges. We begin with candidate number 1.
Aking asukatang otonim mawalad.
Folks not a flower until they bloom. My first time living life that day I met you. Hate to think that you must have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do through. No one never felt enough, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. There's no way. Inside I ache in the mind. Pinipining may sinamang ka. You've tried my limbic since you are okay. Ikaw ay tila sweet sa museyong dinalutuman. Pinipinig kong ginto hanggang naluluwan. I'm not pressure on my life. Sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lumipas na. Tunay na mararahuyo sa ganda. I'd so kiss you every single day all my life. Pagdating ng huling araw, huwag mag-alala. Ramdam may habang buhay nagkamantya. That the world will never take away after love.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Let us proceed with candidate number 2.
Hello. Darating din ang pag-asa mong pinapangarap. Di ba sapat na ika'y mayroong pag-ibig? Nasa puso mo hindi may papalit. Ika'y ngumiti. Ihip ng hangin sa kamay mong malamig. Daig ng tinig na sa aking pandinig. Liliparin ang isipan mo't damdamin. Makarating pa kaya sa kanyang piling. Ika'y ngumiti. Kung panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawat sandali. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong iyo. Ang dalangin ng puso'y ikaw. Sa mundong ating ginagalawan, ano bang meron? Bakit hindi mo man lang ako masilayan? Bilog ba talaga ang mundo? Kasi feeling ko, kahit anong gawin ko, hindi mo man lang ako ma-appreciate. Andito lang naman ako para sa iyo ah. Ginagawa ko lahat para mapansin mo ako. Pero pansin ko, mahal mo lang ako kasi kailangan mo ako. Pero hindi dahil ako yung iniibig mo. At kung sa bawat higpit ng aking pagdaramdam ay hindi ka malapitan, makikiusap na lang. Kung panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawat sandali. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong iyo. Ang dalangin ng puso'y ikaw.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Let's welcome on stage candidate number 3.